This is an Audi A3 S-Line TFSI model year 2014, and we're just going to look at how to switch off the oil change indicator that we see there is indicating 1 day before change is due. So what we're going to do is we are going to go onto the built-in screen there. We're going to switch off the stereo first, and we're going to use this panel here to select the appropriate menu on here. Now what we need to do, I think, is go onto menu, and if we press menu we see this display. Now we're going to use the rotary display here to move to the car menu, and when the car menu is highlighted we'll press the middle button to select that, and then we'll see this menu. We're now going to go on to systems, and to get to the systems menu we push this button here, and we then see another menu. We use the rotary dial again to select servicing and checks, and when that is highlighted we push the center button. We now see service intervals, so let's just press this center button again, and we see next oil change in 8,000 miles or 1 day, next inspection 4,600 miles or 366 days. These two first indications just tell you what the values are. If I use this rotary dial again, we can move down to that one, and then we have the option of reset oil change interval. So let's now try pushing this center button and see what happens. Do you really want to reset the oil change interval? Yes, we do. So we're going to use this rotary dial again to move to the yes option, and then we're going to push the center button. The oil change interval has been reset. So let's see what it says now. Next oil change 365 days, next inspection 366 days. Now the inspection one I don't think we can do from this menu here. We're going to have to do that using a scan tool. Okay, so the ignition is now on, making sure that we are in neutral. We are now going to use this X tool to try and reset the inspection interval. I'm not quite sure how to do that yet, so this is going to be a learning exercise. Let's press the auto scan button first of all, and then OK to that, and OK again. Now what we're going to, sorry about the light on here, common special features. Could it be oil reset? We just reset the oil change interval, but it might not be that. Vehicle condition check reset, possibly. Function execution is complete. Okay. So I don't know what that's done, but let's go into this menu again and see if it's different now from what it said before. So let's go back to menu as we did before, and remembering what we did before, we went to car, systems, servicing and checks, service intervals. Now look, that's changed to 730 days. Previously, if you remember, that said 366 days. So by going through that procedure on the scan tool, it set that to 730 days for the next inspection, and 365 days for the oil change. So that's good for a year on the oil change and 2 years or thereabouts on the inspection. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try going into automatic scan, and OK on that, and OK on that. Now let's do common special features again, oil reset and automatic setting, major maintenance. Now, right now that says 730 days because I just reset it. So if I go into manually set, less than or equal to 60,000 watt kilometers, I think it is. So that's that one, isn't it? So try just pressing that one. Turn off the ignition switch. Then turn switch. Oh look, it's done it already. It's done it already actually. Next inspection. 37,000 miles. 1,095 days. Okay, so you don't need to do that. Good.